Hello, welcome to another episode of Fun or Not. And today I'm just showing you a video of one of my recent trips that I drove from California to Texas. And I am using a video that was recorded using my new dashcam that I thought would be useful for my trips. Whenever I'll travel, I'm gonna use my dashcam so that I'll be able to see or record any interesting things that's happening on the road. So for this day, I was driving along on, I believe, on I-40, which is going from west to east. So my travel, as you can see, there's this truck. Usually there's trucks on the highway. And of course, they're slower. I don't think they're supposed to drive at the speed limit, which is 75 miles per hour. So I think most of these trucks, they just go by 70 miles per hour or less. So as you can see, sometimes there are trucks that are slower and there are trucks that are faster. So some of the faster one would try to pass another slower truck. So here you can see in the distance, there's a truck trying to overtake a slower truck. So I'm also overtaking the slow truck on my right, and then I'm getting to the next one, which is another like two trucks going. So you can, and then I noticed on my rear view this motorcycle was faster than me, so he passed me, and I was like, hey, he's gonna get stuck there anyway. Don't know why he's insisting to go, but you can see him here in this video that he was like deciding if he can pass these two 18-wheelers, these two big trucks, but then he decided to go for it. He's gonna go split in between the two trucks. Now, isn't that dangerous maneuver? But I don't know, maybe he's a brave motorcycle driver. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.